today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Figma. Whether you're enhancing a presentation slide or creating a captivating visual for your design project, learning how to fade images seamlessly can elevate your work to new heights. So let's dive right in and get started with this creative process. First things first, let's talk about creating a gradient, which is central to fading an image in Figma. Start by deciding on the base for your gradient. This could be a frame, a rectangle, or even a simple box. The choice largely depends on your specific design needs and personal preferences. You can also opt to use the exact image you want to fade as the base, which streamlines the process and ensures consistency in your design. Once you've decided on the base, the next step is to adjust the layer positioning. Ensure that the gradient layer is placed above your image layer. This way, you'll make sure that the gradient overlay fits perfectly over your image, allowing for a smooth transition effect. With the base ready, navigate over to the Fill option. Here, you'll be presented with a selection of gradient styles to choose from. You can select from linear, radial, angular, or diamond gradients. Each of these options offers a unique fading effect, so feel free to experiment with what feels right for your project. Additionally, Figma provides the flexibility to customize these gradients, so take some time to explore the different possibilities. Next, drag your image into the gradient that you've created. You'll notice that the image starts to blend with the gradient, creating that desired fading effect. At this point, it's crucial to adjust the settings to tailor the effect to your liking. You can tweak the opacity levels, alter the gradient's colors, and even explore adding multiple gradient stops for more complexity. This is your space to play around and get the look you envisioned. And there you have it, a beautifully faded image in Figma. Using gradients can transform a simple image into something dynamic and eye-catching. Remember that experimentation is key, so don't hesitate to try out different combinations and discover new ways to enhance your designs with Figma. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!